Yo, Game Center. Guess what? I'm gonna do this easily. Oh, I didn't have to try. Let's do this. The videos are so terrible that I can't even decide to watch. You're just making the videos because you ain't a YouTuber. Even I would prefer Squeaky Kid. You would never watch my fun and you can't even rap. And even your bro knows it. I don't even have to try since I can exist. If you would be dead, half of the world would not care. You can't match my beat cause you can't even speak. So go work at KFC. I'm sure you'll be fine because you wouldn't match the fire of my beats. Is that homie? I will come back, but then there's a little reply. I'm kinda startling, but that's the end, homie. I don't care, as long as I got my looks right. I will come back, or there's a reply. Also, you're gonna reply, which you probably won't, because you'll probably start talking to your pet Swiss cheese. Also, I know you call me white chocolate. How about you look at white chocolate and compare it to yourself? I'll just send you into pale. I know you might be black, but you just turn pale because I took all your blood and all your color. Anyway, you reply to me. Also, you're not allowed to use the same beat as me, or else, yeah, I'll go super hard on you. You wanted that diss track, I did it, so don't even try. Also subscribe, Game Center, you'll be distracted. Mic drop.